Several key technical specifications are crucial for assessing the performance of a micro-high-speed centrifuge. Understanding these parameters helps in selecting the most appropriate model. Key technical parameters: maximum speed, RPA. Description: measures the highest rotational speed the centrifuge can achieve. Importance: higher speeds enable faster separations and finer particle resolution. Maximum relative centrifugal force, RCF. Description: indicates the force exerted on samples, calculated as a multiple of Earth's gravity, g. Importance: higher RCF values are useful for tiny particles or difficult to separate samples. Capacity limits. Description: specifies the maximum number of tubes and their volume. Importance: determines the centrifuge's suitability for specific volumes and types of samples. Temperature control. Description: features that allow maintaining a stable temperature. Importance: critical for preserving heat-sensitive samples. Safety features. Description: includes lid locks, imbalance detection, and automatic shut-off mechanisms. Importance: ensures safe operation and protects both the samples and the operator. Understanding these key technical specifications is essential for selecting the right micro-high-speed centrifuge for your needs. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding their operation, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.